Sindhuja from BA Journalism to present today's news. Today we'll talk on how artificial intelligence is no longer just a concept of the future. It's now reshaping classrooms in India. In Kerala, the state has taken a pioneering step by integrating AI into public education through a platform called Samagra Plus. Samagra Plus is an AI-enabled digital learning platform developed by the Kerala Infrastructure and Technology for Education. It is being rolled out in government schools across the state to support both students and teachers. The goal is to personalize learning for each children, adapting educational content to their individual academic level and pace. At its core, Samagra Plus uses AI to create personalized learning paths for each student. The platform analyzes student responses, learning speed, and performance patterns to spot where a student is struggling or excelling. Based on this analysis, it offers adaptive content and targeted practice tailored to each student's needs. Unlike traditional one-size-fits-all teaching, Samagra Plus identifies learning gaps early and provides customized support. That means if a student is weak in a subject, the system automatically offers extra practice in that area while advancing lessons for others, making sure no student is left behind. Teachers are central to the Samagra Plus story. The platform gives educators dashboard and real-time insights into student progress, enabling data-driven instructions. By looking at class dashboards of test scores and analytics, teachers can quickly see which topics need review or which student need extra help. Kite CEO Anwar Sadat emphasizes that Samagra Plus was built strictly within the state curriculum to avoid bias. In other words, the AI is a tool to support teachers, not to replace them. Teachers still lead the classroom, but now they have powerful technology to personalize learning and reduce paperwork. Kerala's innovation with Samagra Plus has already won top honors at the national level. In January 2026, Kite's Samagra Plus was awarded the prize of Excellence in E-Learning, Assessment and Digital Education Platform at the 6th Government's Now Digital Transformation Summit in New Delhi. This follows another award in December 25 when Samagra Plus won the Educational Technology Transformation Award at a National Digital Conclave in Bhubaneswar. These accolades reinforce Kerala's reputation as a leader in digital public education. Education experts say Kerala approach could serve as a blueprint for other states by integrating AI with strong curriculum control and data privacy. Samagra Plus has a set global benchmark for equitable tech-driven learning. Observers note this model emphasizes inclusion and ethical use of technology, pointing the way forward for AI in education system nationwide. As India navigates the future of education, Kerala's Samagra Plus shows how technology guided by clear policy and purpose can empower both teachers and learners. This is not just digital education, it is smart, inclusive education. AI for learning education for all. That's all for today from us. For daily news updates, stay tuned with JMC. Jai Hind.